Hi, it's Chris again with C&H Auto Accessories here in Margate, Florida. By the way, that is our phone number and that's our website. If you have questions on anything I'm talking about today, call us. Don't send me a text to the video. I'm not going to answer it because we're just busy. So if you have questions, call us. What are we talking about today? Well, we have a review. Come on over here. What am I reviewing? Well, you'll probably recognize this truck. We've already done a lot of work to it. We've done the power tracks in the back. We've done the front and rear bumpers. We've done lights. What do we do this time? Well, we did wheels, tires, and a lift. So what do we got? Well, let's start with the wheels. We got the black Rhino Arsenal wheels. These are going to be 20 by 10s, and these are really quite nice. And then we have the 37-inch tires by Toyo. I like Toyo. I think they make a good tire. This is the Open Country, and I like this a whole lot. I think it's a great tire. Now, this is an RT. That's your hybrid tire, so it's not as aggressive as a mud terrain, and it's a little better looking than an all-terrain. It's right there in the middle. Now, this is a 37. Anytime you're going to buy a 37, even with a lifted truck, you could expect some rubbing. Not on every vehicle, but most. So keep that in mind. Now, this guest, I did recommend 35s, but he really want that bigger tire. And I do like 37s. I have them in my personal truck. But anytime you go with bigger tires, those are some of the things you're going to have to live with. So now, as you can see, you can look in here. You can see the rough country. Now, I'm sorry, it got a little dirty from, it was raining up a storm yesterday. And, you know, now we're doing our video this morning and everything got wet. But you can see that rough country 6-inch lift in there. And it's a really nice looking lift. And, of course, makes the truck look terrific, so I like it a lot. So all in all, I think this is a great look. Now, if you see anything you like, you can order from us. Like I said, the phone number in the website, we can ship it to you. Or you can be like this guest and just come to the store and have us do it for you. This is a great looking truck, and I think the wheels and tires make it look terrific. I mean, this is really, really a sharp truck. And of course, he's gonna be hanging out with my truck club members at the South Florida Truck Club. And again, oh, by the way, if you look here, see how we got the cover to lock these tires in? What's nice about the electric cover, it will stop anywhere along the track. So I stopped it right here to hold his old wheels in place, which is really nice. So again, this is a great setup. If you need anything, give us a call. And I'm Chris with C&H Auto Accessories doing a review on the Toyo Open Country's RTs, the black Rhino Arsenals, and the rough country 6-inch lift on a 22 Toyota Tundra. Thank you.